Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how a customer accepts a bid in a WordPress Freelancer Marketplace Plugin using an out-of-the-box solution, the Freelancer Marketplace Plugin. After the customer and freelancer discussed the project in detail, now it's time that the customer will accept the bid. But how does that work? On the project page, the customer can simply locate the bid and choose whether to favorite, decline, chat the freelancer, or accept the bid. If declined, the freelancer is free to amend the bid and resubmit. If it's fine, the customer can now accept. Then, the customer will be redirected to the checkout page where the customer will have to pay the bid upfront. In this step, the money paid by the customer will temporarily safekept by the site admins while the project is being worked on. This is to make sure no problems will arise in the future regarding payments. Once the bid is paid, the freelancer can now start working on the project as discussed and deliver outputs until project completion. There you have it. Now you know how to accept a bid in a WordPress Freelancer Marketplace. If you want to learn more, just watch our other videos or visit our website at www.pluginsandsnippets.com. Thank you!